Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious and amazing recipe of Bel Panna or Bela Panaa. Bela Panaa is basically wood apple juice which is made during Pana Sankranti with additional toppings and ingredients which makes it more awesome. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. If you want this recipe देखिए then description box link को check करूँ. To start with the recipe, break one wood apple or bale like you would break a coconut and then remove the outer layer. Scrape off the pulp using a spoon. Then add around 1 cup of water and mash the pulp with hands. Squeeze well and take out all the juice and discard the fibers and seeds. Our pure bale juice is ready now. Add water to adjust consistency as per your preference. This has the perfect consistency now. Add 4 tablespoons of jaggery or sugar. Next, till it dissolves. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder and half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix well and combine. You can have it like this at this stage. Serve it in a glass and have it. This is truly authentic and refreshing. We will add other ingredients to make it tastier. Add 2 tablespoons of curd, 1 cup of cottage cheese or Chhena, 2 ripe bananas, mash everything and mix well with the bale juice. Our delicious Bela Panaa is ready now. Serve it in your choice of glass and then top it up with some freshly grated coconut, some sweet colorful boondi and chopped dry fruits. This works as an amazing refresher during summers, so do try this out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. Happy Pana Sankranti! If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.